Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy watching and want more, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple, helpful, and easy to understand. Let's jump in.
Many people get confused about email versus Gmail, especially on Android phones. Let's make it clear. Email is the overall system. It's the technology that lets you send and receive electronic messages over the internet. Think of email as the postal service itself. It's the general way people communicate digitally. Gmail, however, is a specific email service provider. Google created and operates Gmail. It's one popular company offering email, just like Yahoo Mail or Outlook.com are other companies. So, Gmail is a brand of email, not email itself. On an Android phone, the Gmail app comes pre-installed for most users. This app is your primary tool. You use it to access your Gmail account, send new messages, and read incoming ones. But here's the key, the Gmail app isn't just for Gmail accounts. You can also add other email accounts to it. For example, if you have an email address from your internet provider, or a work email, or even a Yahoo Mail account, you can set them up within the Gmail app. The app then becomes a central hub. It shows you all your different inboxes in one place, simplifying how you manage all your electronic mail. So, in short, email is the broad category. Gmail is a specific service within that category. And on your Android device, the Gmail app is a versatile tool to manage all your email, regardless of who provides the service. It's the difference between calling something a drink and calling it a Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola is a specific type of drink. Gmail is a specific type of email service. The app helps you get all your drinks in one cooler.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.